welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to boost your English skills faster? Today I'll share 5 simple but powerful tips, from the easy ones to the most important, that will help you improve your English skills step by step. Try to describe pictures and even create a short story from them. This is a powerful way to improve your descriptive vocabulary and creativity. When you look at a picture, don't just name the objects. Explain what's happening. Imagine the story behind it and describe the details. This exercise helps you build descriptive vocabulary, creative thinking in English, and storytelling skills. Look at this picture. A simple description would be: there is a man standing on a beach. A more advanced level is: it looks like he's waiting for someone. Maybe he has an important day today. And finally, let's add some creativity. We can say, the picture tells a story of a busy morning, but the man seems calm, as if he has all the time in the world. At the beginning, it may feel more challenging than other techniques, but over time, it becomes one of the most effective ways to improve fluency and imagination. So, whenever see a picture, don't look at it. Tell a story about it in English. Prepare short answers for common questions. If you already have 2 or 3 responses in mind, you'll never feel stuck. Native speakers often ask the same small talk questions. If you practice a few ready answers, you'll sound more natural and confident. Hobbies. I enjoy reading novels in English. I play football with my friends. I'm really into cooking these days. Jobs. I work as an English teacher. I'm currently looking for a new opportunity. I'm in IT. I work with software development. Talk about what you're doing during the day. Just describe your actions in English, even simple ones. When you describe your actions, your brain starts thinking in English. It doesn't have to be complicated. So the key is to make English part of your routine. I'm making tea. I'm opening the fridge. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm checking my phone. I'm walking to the bus stop. Actually, I'm preparing a full video about my daily routine in English. So, if this idea sounds interesting, don't miss that one. Use ready-made phrases, also called chunks. There are short expressions you can reuse in your conversation naturally. Instead of creating a sentence word by word, learn these phrases like, "That's a good idea," "I see what you mean," "To be honest," "It depends." Using these phrases helps you speak fluently and sound more confident.
I think we should start earlier tomorrow. I see what you mean. That sounds like a good idea.
Make a list of common phrases and repeat them daily. Over time, you'll use them automatically in your conversation. Are you ready for the most important techniques? Let's go! The most powerful technique, shadowing. This means speaking along with audio or video, word by word, phrase by phrase. Repeat exactly what the speaker says, mimicking the pronunciation, intonation, and the stress of each word. This practice helps you sound more natural and improve your listening skills at the same time.
Discover what life is like under the ocean.
Discover what life is like under the ocean.
Jill Turner explores the Pacific Ocean.
Jill Turner explores the Pacific Ocean.
Here she meets amazing fish, starfish, and sharks.
Here she meets amazing fish, starfish, and sharks.
How do these animals live in their underwater world?
How do these animals live in their underwater world?
Fish, starfish, and sharks. How do these animals live in their underwater world?
Okay. How do these animals live in their underwater worlds? Do shadowing daily for 5 to 10 minutes and you'll notice your pronunciation and fluency improve much faster than reading and listening passively. So today, we learned 5 simple but powerful techniques to improve your English. Shadowing, using chunks, describing your daily routines, preparing short answers for common questions, and describing pictures. You don't need to practice for hours, just a few minutes, but every day. These techniques can take your English to the next level. Thanks for spending this time with me. Keep improving, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!